Incorporating particular foods into your diet can promote cartilage healing and general joint health if you're experiencing joint pain or stiffness as a result of worn-out cartilage. These meals are high in nutrients that strengthen your joints, lower inflammation, and encourage the creation of collagen. Bone broth. Why? Collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, essential elements for cartilage repair, are abundant in bone broth. How to apply it? Use it as a basis for soups and stews, or drink a cup per day. Fatty fish, including sardines, mackerel, and salmon. Why? Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which promote joint health and lower inflammation. How to use it? Try to eat 2 to 3 portions of fatty fish per week. Leafy greens like broccoli, spinach, and kale. Why? Rich in vitamin C and K, which support the production of collagen and preserve cartilage. How to use it? Include them in soups, smoothies, and salads. Citrus fruits such as grapefruits, oranges, and lemons are incredibly beneficial. They are rich in vitamin C, which is necessary for the synthesis of collagen. You can squeeze them into water for a cool beverage, or just eat them fresh. Nuts and seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and almonds are packed with anti-inflammatory substances, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. To incorporate them into your diet, you can eat a handful every day as a snack or sprinkle them over yogurt or cereal. Berries, including raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries, are excellent for your health. They are rich in antioxidants, which fight inflammation and shield cartilage from oxidative damage. You can add them to cereals and smoothies, or simply eat them as a snack. 7. Avocado. Why? Because it contains vitamin E and good lipids that support cartilage health and lower inflammation. Use it in smoothies, salads, or toast. 8. Onions with garlic. Why? Because they contain sulfur compounds that help heal cartilage and lessen joint pain. How to use? Add to regular meals for taste and health advantages. 9. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Why? They offer complex carbohydrates that promote inflammation reduction and joint restoration. How to use it? In meals, substitute healthy grains with refined grains. 10. Legumes such as black beans, chickpeas, and lentils. Why? Because they are rich in amino acids and protein, which are essential for the repair of cartilage and collagen. Use include in stews, salads, and soups.